Hey everyone, this is Heather Beebe with the Additive Guru channel. Today we're going to go through the setup of making a profile in Cura for the Sidewinder that's made by Artillery. Since there is not a actual profile that's standard in Cura. So first what we're going to do is we're going to go up here to our printers and add a printer. And add a non-network printer. Okay, then we're going to go to custom FFF printer and add. Alright, and so we're going to have to change the different settings to go with the Sidewinder. Alright, so the width, the x-axis, is going to be 300. The next one, the Y, is going to be 300 also. And then the Z height is 400. So we're going to change that. The build plate shape is rectangular. It's not elliptical. Then we're going to make the heated bed checked because it does have a heated bed. The G-code flavor is going to be Rep Wrap. Then these all autofill. Okay. Now there's only one extruder on this. Then we go to extruder 1. So the nozzle size is 0.4 millimeters, but the compatible material diameter does need to be changed to 1.75 millimeters. Okay. Then we're going to hit next. Alright. And then we have our settings. And then of course you can change all your other settings like you normally do with any printer. And that's it. That's how you add in the Sidewinder made by Artillery to be able to print on it through Cura. Alright, well, thanks for watching and check out some of our other YouTube videos.